Okay, whoever made this route made my worst nightmare. How did I not fall there?
It has been programmed, this forest.
I should probably stop in more places like this. I'm not much of a stopper. Wow. Wow. Into the mountains. Wow. Looks like something is happening again. Wow. Magnificent rock formation. This is a matter of time before nobody can drive here anymore. Wow. It's crazy. Wow, this is amazing. I'm getting the pulse up. No, this is okay. If this continues, I'll have to get my gloves on. And with gloves, I naturally mean goggles. Lovely mountain range. I can't believe I'm driving in this beautiful forest next to this beautiful mountain, a rocky formation. Wow, this is amazing. Seriously. So I finally found some sand. I'm not very good at... I have no idea what I'm doing when I'm driving sand. According to Adam Rayman, you just have to have some speed and then practice or something. So I'm trying speed and practicing. And for now it seems like it's working okay. It's like, I don't know, it's like surfing the bike. Just imagine you have you don't have any traction, you just can affect where the bike will slide. Whoa. 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 Okay, I might fall. Christ. How did I not fall there? Huh. I'm so lucky today. I'm not sure if I deserved to be this lucky. Nice, this is like a cross track. So down to the dirt and to the right. There's a car. It's around here. Hey! Ciao! English! Norwegian! Yes.
I did the program, this forest too. It is forest for state Republic Czech.
Ah.
No.
No driving, no driving.
Ah, okay. Okay, but again, I'm really sorry. Thank you so much.
Very friendly guy. State forest. Okay. The plan now is to go to a place called Gested, where this guy that I met in the construction site long ago recommended me. So we'll see. I think it looks like it's a bit up in the mountains. I'll go there and I'll see if I can stay the night in the hotel room. Should be nice to have a proper bed. And yeah, we'll continue to Poland tomorrow. We'll see though. I haven't made a reservation or anything, so plans might change. This is pretty cool. And this view, it's amazing.